So the irony behind this person making this comment is unmistakable. Somebody said something along the lines of, we were talking about immigration, undocumented immigration specifically, and somebody said, so if I go into Mexico illegally, I'm just going to be fine? And I said, no, I never said that. However, aren't we supposed to do things better? Aren't we supposed to be more compassionate? Aren't we supposed to be the nation of immigrants? Aren't we supposed to be opening our arms to immigrants? And in response to that, this person here says, no, not at all. The USA has law. Fucking obey them. And the irony comes from the fact that this is the guy saying that. The guy wearing the hat of the candidate that had 34 felony convictions. Now, I originally went and looked at your following list to see if you did follow Trump or if this was all just a gag. And among the hundreds of women that you follow that are barely dressed and very young, you do follow Donald Trump, Jesse Waters, and Date Right Stuff, and Fox News, and all that other shit. And then I went and looked at your profile picture. The USA has law. Fucking obey them. Says the guy who voted for a man with 34 felony convictions, and had he not been elected president, would probably have over 100 felony convictions by the time it's all said and done with all the charges that were piling up against him. The USA has law. Fucking obey them. I guess it doesn't count for Republican presidential candidates, huh, Sweet Pea? By the way, your following list is a red flag. Seeing who you are, seeing, that you're not a young man, seeing that you're whatever. Your following list is a case study in red flags. I would shudder to think of what is on your actual hard drive at home, let alone just your browser history on your phone. But I digress. You're right. We are a nation of laws. When is the guy you voted for going to actually start following them? Because, for example, you get due process in this country, whether you're a citizen or not. That has been established by the Constitution and confirmed by Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia. You get due process whether you're here legally or not. Your boy is breaking the law every single time he rounds up another brown person and ships him out of this country without due process. We have a law against emoluments for the President of the United States. Donald Trump breaks that every single minute he's president. Once again, I said he had 34 felony convictions. He had over 50 indictments before he became president. And here you are telling undocumented immigrants who are just trying to put food on their table, just trying to keep a roof over their head, trying to earn enough money to survive, that they should fucking obey the law. You don't ever get to talk to us about laws again. You've lost all credibility on that front. The moment you cast a ballot for a man with 34 felony convictions, your argument of everybody should just follow the law meant absolutely fucking nothing.